Hi, I'm Little Miss Daredevil. Today, I'm reacting to another SpongeBob explosion video, SpongeBob Explosions 2. So, let's watch it. Let's go. That was funny. Oh no.
Okay, it's on my foot.
Oh,
Okay.
oh my goodness.
SpongeBob, I told you not to move it till I said. Run for your lives, everyone! It's the appetizer! That's robot crab.
Oh, yeah.
And the only way to deal with these robot types is to find out what they know.
Right.
SpongeBob, you gotta ask him a question first.
Oh, yeah. What color is my underwear?
Exploded.
What's his name? What's his name? I got nothing on a name. Come on, baby. What's the name? Okay, goodness lesson number 2. You see someone struggling with a heavy package. What do you do?
Hello, friend. I noticed you were struggling with that package. Would you like some help?
Got a new bottle of ketchup?
Sure.
It's on! Pat, get your wallet out. Okay, goodness lesson number 1. You see someone drop their wallet. Patrick, drop the wallet.
These explosions make me laugh.
SpongeBob, quick! Sandy's coming! We gotta make sure you're well, or she'll take you to the doctor.
He washed my flipper.
He owes me money!
He made me provide excellent service.
Kids, he made me experience high tide. Oh!
Last one. Those explosions are really funny. Anyways, so that's Little Miss Daredevil reacting to SpongeBob Explosions Part 2. So, I gotta go now. See you later.